Yeah.
So we're just getting the boat ready for the journey, loading up the car and pumping the tyres up on the trailer. Just stopped off at Sedgemoor Services. I think it's about 5 o'clock in the morning now. Just a bit of a leg stretch. Check on the trailer. All seems good. Straps are still tight. So yeah, still dark. It's horrible out there today. Absolutely horrible. The roads are horrific. So much spray and these LED headlights on these new cars as well. You know, if you look at that car over there, that's all you get with the glare in your mirror, and it's really hard to sort of pull out, and you know, it just dazzles you when there's rain on the wind mirrors. Yeah, really, really horrible conditions this morning. So we've got the rib in the workshop. Here's the doggo. Hello, doggo. Hello. Hello, you. So we're going to start with the impeller change first, and I think possibly the A-frame, and start drilling in the console to do the bits we need to get done on that. So here we are, we're making a start on the inspection hatch on the front of the rib. Blowing everywhere. Can you do it again?
I do love it because your bill just keeps going up.
Not mine, I didn't say that.
No, it is.
That's what I mean, what's not very late finishing here would be.
Yeah, another hour on top plus rush hour traffic and all that.
And it was one of those, oh yeah, I'll do it. And the next time I was about to go out, I was like, oh shit. We'll run the big city one.
And now we're working on the hole for the VHF radio. And he's now cutting the hole for the 5-way switch panel. And now it's time for the impeller change. And now the impeller's done, it's now time to fit the A-frame.
Suppose we can drop it, can't we?
Well, can't go any higher than. What's your limit? 220, but we can go to 230. So we've got the holes cut for the frame on there. Hello. Oh, well done. On there. So we've got the rib back, we've got the VHF radio in, and we've got the new hatch. So we've got lots of access now, which is fantastic. Very good. And most importantly, we've got the A-frame on, which is brilliant. So going to give her a clean and get her back into storage. So we've just got back from taking the boat to the storage compound. It's just tucked away for the night, well, until the next time anyway. Massive thanks to Taz at TK Marine. He's done an absolutely fantastic job of the boat, very patient, very specific on asking sort of, you know, is this okay there, is that okay in certain places? Do you want this central, do you want that moving there? So he's, you know, he's rather good at sort of the feedback from the customer, i.e. me. So I'm very specific about where I want stuff and sort of how many holes do you want for the A-frame and all the other stuff. So yeah, big shout out to Taz at TK Marine. He's based down in Looe, so if you guys need any work doing yourself, that's where he is. You can find his details on the internet, or alternatively drop me a DM or a comment and I can pass his details on. So now we just have to get some Ocean Flex tin copper wire to do all the wiring. So now I've got to wire in the nav lights, 360 lights, the VHF radio, wire that into the switch panel and then into the fuse box. So yeah, still lots and lots of work to do. I'm aiming to get out on the boat mid-March, I think, is realistically the time I'm probably looking to get out on the boat. Weather is just abysmal at the minute, and even just going out on the river locally, the rivers are just flooded. You know, the levels are ridiculous, so it's a no-go at the minute. And I'm reluctant to go out to the sea for a day because I need to get everything wired up, etc, etc. So if you like the video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.